Alright, today we're going to learn how to compare decimals. If we just look at a regular whole number that we compare, for example 17 and 232, we're going to look right away and we're going to see that this number has something in the hundreds place. So we automatically know it's bigger because there's an imaginary zero here. We could also compare 23 and 45. And we're going to start in that tens place, and we can see immediately the 4 is bigger than the 2, so we can compare that. And the last one with whole numbers, if we're comparing 83 and 81, we start looking in the tens place, and we see that they're the same. So then we move on to the ones place, and we can see that 3 is bigger than 1. So comparing decimals is a lot like comparing whole numbers. So for example, if I have 1 and 32 hundredths, and I'm comparing it to 2 and 32 hundredths, I'm going to start with the biggest part of the number, the ones place. I have a 2 and a 1. I immediately know that the 2 is bigger. But what if I want to take this same number to start with, and I'm going to compare it to 1 and 29 hundredths. I look at the ones place, it's the same, so I go to the tenth place, the next biggest place. I have a 3 and a 2, so I know 3 is bigger than 2. If I want to try that one more time, I have 1 and 32 hundredths, and I compare it to 1 and 38 hundredths. Again, I start at the ones place, they're the same. I move to the tenths place, they're the same, so now I have to compare the hundredths place, and 8 is bigger than 2.